Rusia merilis rekaman video detik-detik rudal jarak jauh mengenai kilang minyak penyuplai bahan bakar militer Ukraina di Poltava. Serangan rudal presisi tinggi mengakibatkan ledakan besar. Senjata berbasis laut dan udara jarak jauh berpresisi tinggi di pinggiran utara Kremenchuk, wilayah Poltava, menghancurkan fasilitas produksi kilang minyak dan tank dengan bahan bakar bensin dan solar yang dimaksudkan untuk memasok peralatan militer pasukan Ukraina, kata juru bicara militer Rusia, Maijen Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur, Jumat 13 Mei. Sementara operasional taktis dan penerbangan militer telah mencapai 153 pos pasukan dan peralatan militer. 2 peluncur roket multi-peluncuran Great Ukraina dan 1 radar peringatan dan indikasi pertahanan udara buatan Amerika Serikat juga dihancurkan di dekat Kharkov. Sementara pasukan rudal dan unit artileri menggempur 15 pos komando, 520 area konsentrasi tenaga kerja dan peralatan militer, 6 unit artileri di posisi menembak, dan 1 depot senjata rudal di dekat Sebelinka, wilayah Kharkov, kata Maijen Igor. Jumat memasuki hari 79 invasi Rusia ke Ukraina. Militer Ukraina memberi perlawanan. Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis sebanyak 26.900 tentara Kremlin tewas dalam operasi ini. Ukraina juga mengunggah merayakan kerugian Angkatan Udara Rusia. Sebanyak 200 jet tempur Rusia telah ditembak jatuh sejak awal invasi tanggal 24 Februari lalu. Sementara sebanyak 162 helikopter, 1.205 tank dan kendaraan lapis baja dieliminir Ukraina.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision, long-range sea and air-based weapons on the northern outskirts of Kremenchuk, Poltava region, have destroyed the production facilities of an oil refinery and tanks with petrol and diesel fuel intended to supply Ukrainian forces military equipment. Operational, tactical and army aviation have hit 153 areas of concentration of manpower and military equipment. 2 Ukrainian Grad multiple launch rocket launchers and 1 US-made air defense warning and indication radar have also been destroyed near Kharkov. Missile troops and artillery units have hit 15 command posts, 520 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, 6 artillery units at firing positions and 1 missile weapons depot near Shebelinka, Kharkov region. Russian air defense means have shot down 1 Su-27 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force near Lazovaya, Kharkov region. Additionally, 15 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down in the air near Balakleya, Malaya Kamyshevacha, Bolshie Prokhody, Borovskoye, Rudyanka and Volokhov Yar in Kharkov region. Topolinная and Pavlovka in Zaporozhye region, Yevgenovka, Yasenovata, Yegorovka, Putiprovod, Avdeevka, Panteleimonovka and Krutaya Balka in Donetsk region. 2 Ukrainian Smerch multiple launch rockets have been also shot down over Topolskaya, Kharkov region. In total, 165 Ukrainian aircraft and 125 helicopters, 842 unmanned aerial vehicles, 304 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,032 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 368 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,491 field artillery and motors, as well as 2,869 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!